Hi everyone. So today we are going to be looking at the nth term again. So, and it's to extend sequences using a rule. Okay. So we did this yesterday when we looked at patterns and shapes. So today we just converted it into numbers. All right. So your whole number sequences. Looking at these numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, and then something, something, something. We've done this lots in big maths. What could it be? So first of all, you need to count from 1 to 3. So be 1, 2, 3. So the first gap is 2. Now we need to check to make sure that the gap for the next numbers is 2. So 3, 4, 5, 2 again, 5, 6, 7, 2 again. So that was nice and simple. So what you need to do to add, you need to think about, do you need to add or do you need to take away from a term in a sequence to make the next term? And that's how we make our rule. So with the one that we've just done, every time we added 2. So our term would be plus 2. That is our rule. Okay? So we've got some more here. Now, if you've got a piece of paper at home, can you just write down the next three for me, please? So you're just looking at what the difference is between the numbers and then you're carrying on the nth term. Okay, so between 2 and 5, what is the jump? And then from 5 to 8, what is the jump? If they're the same, then you need to use that rule to think of the next three numbers. So for number 1, the every time the jump would be plus 3. So the next one we would give 11, add 3 would be 14, add 3 would be 17. Then just below, from 4 to 10, the jump would be 6. So from 10 to 16, the jump would be 6 again, so that would be plus 6. So 16 plus 6 would be 22, plus 6, 28, plus 6, 34. Then for the final one, this time our numbers go down. So we've gone from 15 to 13, which is minus 2. Then we got from 13 to 11, which is minus 2 again. So our rule is, our term is minus 2. So minus 2 would be 9, minus 2 would be 7, minus 2 would be 5. We can also do this and go beyond 0. We know that after 0, these become negative numbers. So we have 8 to 5 to 2. So the term is minus 3 each time. So minus 3 from 2 would be minus 1, then minus 4, and minus 7. Then we have 12 to 7. So that jump there is 5. Then we jump in from 7 to 2. That's minus 5 again. So every time we minus in 5. So that would be, let me see, minus 3. Oh, sorry. Yeah, minus 3. Then we would jump down 5 again. So we minus 8. Then from minus 8, it would take us to minus 13. You can see the answers. Okay. If we're going a little bit harder, we can also then have missing numbers in the term. So sometimes you'll have some examples where they're not there. How are we going to work it out? Well, let's have a little look. So here, the rule is plus 3. So we took the two numbers that we had, which was 2 and 8. So that would mean the difference between the two was plus 6. Okay. So what we would need to do is then split that in half.